mukisa guno okwebaza President Museveni olw'okuba nti twamusaba ife nga Busoga Kingdom lidduke twajayo meeting twamusaba twamukola nti muzeeyi institution eya tourism eri ebusoga ya government eyongerebweko okutebwamu empiya n'okulankulanizibwa. So I'm happy during our time ne Mama Kadaga nga speaker ekintu ekitwapushinga Kingdom yawandika ebbaluwa Mama Kadaga naye ataako ebbaluwa twawandikira president yaikiriza. That is how the funds came in okutandika developing an institution. Era n'olwaleero lwenabeera ndikwidda wano Isaife Kyabazinga yansaba nkobere Minister wa tourism owawagati nti ajje mu cabinet abakobere nti ali kwenda institution eno ebyobulambuzi efuuke university ebyobulambuzi mu Busoga muno ate mu Uganda tuzira university ebyabulambuzi. So nebbaluwa yene baba ajja kuwandikira president ng'ali kumusaba ekifo kino kifuuke kibe university kubanga ng'emuli kibona kituuka n'okuba university. Ffenna tubeeku ne university ng'ab'e Nairobi balina munsedde okulya balina universities of tourism aye ife tuzira ebe nga kiketezo kyonka. Ekindi etuyambye relationship yaife inuma out yali nungi ni Crested Crane eno mu bwine board bagisomye nga muzira Basoga eyo bwali buzibu bw'amaani. Last year and the other year we had a very bad relationship aye twasobola okumitinga nabo bano abaliku ono principal Kawere mulungi minister ya proposing amaina bano abali wano nga ba principal abakaire bagalwanisa. So this board eri kwida erina okubaako Basoga must be there kubanga eno institution eri waife wano Busoga nife ba host baayo. So board erindi okufuluma ngezira ku Basoga tujja kwekalakaasa era ni president twiddamu kobera. Ekindi nti relationship yaife improvinze ni Miss Butembe asomera wano bamuwa scholarship twajja omuwa Miss Tourism Butembe ng'asasula otwabumuwa bamuwa scholarship. Kyabazinga scholarship batuwaye abaana 5 basomera wano ku bwereere. Relationship ekuze nungi before it was not there. So kyova mbona leero emusoso tubonanga Busoga Kingdom ku graduation wano era kiraze nti relationship yaife ni UHTTI improving the relationship is becoming better ate mu relationship yaife ni government ya ministry ya tourism tukolagana bulungi era batutamu sente. So this is good. Abana abasinga obungi Basoga aba graduatinze ate ni hotels edisinga mu idinda muno ni Busoga abaana abasinga okolamu bava wano ku mikolo daife mu Kingdom abaana abasinga okolayo bava wano era abaana abo bamala bayira bakola community tourism mubabona Kagulu mwababona mu communities edindi. So mwebale ino mwebalira institution eno wefuuka university kitegeeza nti twidafuna abantu bangi okuva mu mawanga agenda wulo ba students abaidde osomera wano Busoga eri kujja kulaakulana because there will be hotels around, there will be shopping malls around, emirimu gidda kubaawo egy'abaana baife tulina Busoga neri known the whole country. We have the most educated personnel abaina masters ni degrees ni PhD. There are many aya basinga bazira na mirimo so emirimo gidda kubaawo twidda kuba ni hotels deyongere then ni n'okututa ku map Busoga will be put on the international map because in Uganda we don't have a tourism university eno webaawo edda kuba etuyambi. So President Museveni tuli kusaba baba Isaife yasabye alikwenda institution eno efuuke university eyitendekero era ebyobulambuzi mu Uganda aye ngeri wano Busoga.